Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix iPhone App Store apps not updating. So for example, I'm trying to update my Duolingo app. However, whenever I click on update, it loads for a few seconds and then it immediately stops the update just like that. And in this video I'm going to show you guys 3 easy ways in order to fix this. So the first one you want to actually make sure to try is going into settings, and you want to make sure that you do have a good Wi-Fi connection. And why is this? Well, an App Store app, the update takes a lot of Wi-Fi, so you need a really good internet connection in order to actually update. Even though you have internet connection, if it's really bad or it's just not doing, sometimes it will be really good and then really bad, then sometimes that could be the issue because your App Store needs extremely good Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's the first thing you want to make sure to try and check out. If you've tried that out and your apps are just still not updating, then the second thing what you can do is go and head over into general, and then literally all you need to do is head over into software update, and you want to make sure that your iPhone is up to date. So if you're running iOS 16 or 15, there should not be an issue with your app store. However, if you're running like late iOS 12, 13 or 14, then that could cause some issues with new apps being unable to be downloaded, because apps also need support of iOS, and they most likely tend to use newer versions only. So you want to make sure that you have at least iOS 15 or higher. If you've tested it out as well and you know that you have at least iOS 15 or higher, then literally the last thing I have you guys to do is go into general, and then literally all you need to do is right here in transfer or reset iPhone. What you can do is click on reset all settings, and this will basically just reset your entire phone. However, it will not be set to completely new. Your Apple ID and everything will be still installed. However, everything will be gone for your network settings, and your apps will most likely also be gone. So I would be careful with this option. However, if you do want a 100 guaranteed % fix for your app store not downloading apps, then this is the best option I have for you guys, because this basically solves 99% of all issues with your iPhone. So that's how you can fix iPhone apps not updating. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.